If you want to add the Calendly extension for Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can get Calendly installed, connected, and ready to use inside Chrome in just a few minutes. This is a great setup if you want to make scheduling easier, save time, and keep your workflow simple right from your browser. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Calendly account. So open your browser, go to Calendly, and sign in with the account you want to use. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Integrations and Apps option. This is where Calendly keeps all of its connected tools and browser integrations, so click on that to continue. Now that you're in the Integrations area, use the search bar and type Calendly for Chrome. This will help you find the official Chrome extension quickly without scrolling through a long list of options. When the correct result appears, select Calendly for Chrome. Make sure you're choosing the official extension so you know you're installing the right one. Next, you'll see the option to add to Chrome. Click that button to start the installation process. After that, Chrome will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll see the extension details one more time. From here, click Add to Chrome again. This is the standard Chrome Web Store confirmation step, and it's what tells Chrome that you want to install the extension on your browser. After you click that, Chrome will ask you to confirm the permissions. You'll see a prompt with an Add Extension button. Go ahead and click Add Extension to approve it. Once you confirm, the installation will begin automatically. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the process to finish. It usually only takes a moment, and once it's done, the extension will be added to your browser. If Calendly asks you to sign in again after the extension installs, just follow the prompt and log back into your Calendly account. This helps connect the extension properly to your profile so everything works the way it should. After that, your Calendly Chrome extension should be ready to use. Now that the extension is installed, you can start using it from Chrome whenever you need to access Calendly faster and streamline your scheduling workflow. This is especially helpful if you use Calendly often and want quicker access while browsing. And that's it. You've successfully added the Calendly extension for Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials that make software simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.